iPhone SE Plus, iPad 11-inch, and iMac 23-inch. This is all news information that put together in this video. And what's going on now we'll see. Without further ado, let's go. Today is 22th April 2020. We'll summary the news all three topic. There are three gadgets. Start with iPhone SE Plus and iPad 11-inch. The last one is iMac 23-inch. First, iPhone SE Plus. There are a lot of people asked me about it. As we saw, in 15th April 2020, the second generation iPhone SE had release. There is 4.7-inch, and no sign of iPhone SE Plus. Which big screen? And it's come to the point and there are a lot of people talk about it. And here the news of iPhone SE Plus. There are two news from the different source. First one is from John Prosser's Twitter. He tweet that, should have some iPhone SE Plus for you soon. In the message there is no mention about the detail, when it come out or whatever. He only say, there will have a news for you. Then the second source, from Ming-Chi Kuo, they a news analyst. They release news quite often. Ming-Chi Kuo give her information about an important topic of iPhone SE Plus. First topic is, this generation will come out around 2021. We will see. It should be second quarter. Anything like that. Simply in 2020. We would not see. And the second is about the design. It's similar to iPhone 11. That mean the screen is full like iPhone 11. And there is no Touch ID button in the bottom. But it will change. Pull in somewhere, for example. Maybe it on one side of the phone. Maybe it on the power button, stuff like that. Which mean it will have more visibility. However, it not use Face ID like iPhone 11. And it makes the price of iPhone SE Plus is lower than iPhone 11. About the modification. If the design is different from iPhone SE second, it might not call iPhone SE Plus, it might change to iPhone SE third. It's a high possibility. This is the information about iPhone SE Plus, or iPhone SE. Anyways, we must waiting. And then iPad. It upgrade to make the screen bigger. Now the screen of iPad. The regular one is 10.2 inch. For iPad Generation 7 and 10.5 inch in iPad Air Generation 3. But in the news the new iPad 11-inch same size as the last one. But it can show more visibility. Maybe cut-edge screen it make more visibility from 10.2 and 10.5 inch. Begin 11-inch. The date release. Maybe the end of 2020. After July till December this year. And about the identify. Now iPad is using Touch ID, but in the insider they told it'll modify to the finger scan on the screen. This is the information that we got. However, we'll see. Is it high possibility or not? The last topic is about iMac. The new iMac version will upgrade the screen. There is more visibility from 21 into 23 inch. Cut the size of the edge of the screen, making it thinner, and then we'll get more space. In terms of internal specifications, it should be upgraded to be more modern. May use Intel 10th generation CPU, and change new RAM. And can expand the capacity of an SSD to a lot more. About the release day, around the middle of 2020. About the news of the iMac, there is no more news for this. At this point we'll inform you again. And this is three information that we have now. There is iPhone SE Plus, iPad 11-inch. The last one is iMac 23-inch. We will figure it out. Don't forget subscribe to get more information. Hit the bell button. Goodbye and see you in the next one.